How to add October dump sticker on Instagram story. Simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, all you have to do is tap on the Your Story section at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your stories. Now, inside your story, tap on the layout option available there. Once you tap on the layout, you can choose the grids. I am choosing the 6 ones. If you want to choose only 4 ones or only want to keep one photo for your dump, then that's also fine. You can do it according to your preferences. Now let's fill up this grid. I am starting with writing down a text. It is not mandatory to write this one, it is optional. You can do whatever you want according to your preferences on this one as well, but I'm keeping October dump just for some aesthetic. So you can choose the text style, add the colors and fonts, and keep it on your story. So here, this is what mine looks like. Now once done so, simply tap the sticker icon, the smiley face at the top. Once you open it, you will get to see add yours option available there. Now simply tap on the add yours. Now after you tap on it, this is where you will write October dump or anything according to your preferences. I'm just writing down the dump and just a simple emoji to make it look aesthetic. You can also just write down the October dump on this and not add the text as well. You can clear your aesthetic according to your preferences. And once done so, place it and tap on the Your Story option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.